Hey guys, today we're talking soup, and I am going to whip up a Thai chicken noodle soup, which is scrumptious. I don't know about you, but I think chicken noodle soup is one of the best comfort foods. Obviously, when people are sick, they want chicken noodle soup. Well, this is just a whole new twist on it. I don't know if you've had Thai food, but it's known for, coconut milks and curries and fresh herbs. It's super flavorful, and I think you're gonna love this recipe. It's super fast and easy. All you need are these few ingredients: 2 chicken breasts, olive oil, organic chicken broth, rice noodles, red curry paste, the kicker right there. You can find that in the ethnic section of grocery stores. A can of coconut milk, salt, pepper, and for veggies, 1 red pepper, 2 carrots, onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and about 10 fresh basil leaves. And it's super fast, delicious. People are gonna love it if you make it. You gotta trust me. So for the Thai chicken noodle soup, you need a big stock pot, which I've got heating up here. And for the onion, I used half of it, okay, and I diced it. I used half of the red pepper, diced it, shredded the 2 carrots. I've got the garlic peeled and ready. And the chicken breasts I also cut pretty small because it's soup, so you don't want the pieces to be too big. So start with a tablespoon of olive oil in your pan, and then we're gonna go ahead and add our veggies first. So the onions, the peppers, the carrots. Okay, so get those veggies mixed around. All right, the veggies have been going for about 3 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and add the chicken now. And next, we'll add the 2 cloves of garlic. Mix that. So we're gonna let this chicken cook until it's, almost cooked through, and then we're gonna add the rest of the ingredients. Well, we're gonna add the liquids at least. So if it's not completely cooked, that is okay, because we are gonna add broth and coconut milk, and so the chicken will finish cooking in the hot liquid. So we're gonna give this probably, maybe 3 or 4 minutes. Okay, the chicken looks pretty done, so we're gonna go ahead and add our chicken broth, a 32-ounce container. This is organic. Okay, next is the can of coconut milk. I love coconut milk in recipes. Makes them really good. Okay, and then our curry paste. This has a little bit of a spice to it, so it's up to you how spicy you want it, but I like to put about 2 heaping spoonfuls of it, and it smells so good, and it's got such a terrific flavor. I make a stir fry with that too that's really good. A Thai stir fry. So we want to get this boiling, okay? But before that, let's put 2 teaspoons of salt. Gotta have salty broth, and several grinds of pepper, or 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon if you're measuring it. Okay, and we are just gonna stir and bring this to a nice rolling boil, and then we'll add the noodles, and that's it. Soup. You gotta love soup. It's so fast. Fast, easy, healthy, and delicious. All right. So the broth is starting to bubble. So this happens to be a 14-ounce package of the Thai noodles. And we're gonna only use half. I've already used half, so this is the half that I have left. So that would be 6 to 7 ounces of the noodles, okay? And I like to break them so the soup's easier to eat. So you can break them in half or in thirds. Okay, so I stand corrected on the noodles. 7 ounces is going to be too much. You want about 4 to 5 ounces of the noodles, okay? You just don't want them to take up all of the broth, because if you put too much, it's going to soak it up. So, and I find you put the noodles in and let it cook here for about 3 minutes or so, and then I just take it off the burner, put the lid on, and leave it alone for a while, for, you know, 5 to 10 minutes, and then the noodles will finish cooking. Because I find with soup, if you let it cook too long, when it does have some sort of pasta or noodles, they get overdone. So you got to really watch that, because as I've said before, I don't think anybody likes the mushy, squishy pasta. So at this point, you can add your fresh basil. Okay, mix it around, and I'm gonna take it off the burner, put the lid on, and then I will get some close-up shots so you guys can see how good this looks. And I encourage you to make it. And remember, all my recipes are right here below this. And share your results with me. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, share with your friends, and have a fantastic day.